BCS Mathematical Reasoning. Question 5. If the second day of the month is a Monday, the 18th day of the month is a options ক Sunday, খ Tuesday, ঘ Wednesday, ঘ Monday. Source 29th BCS. Please try the answer out. If not, please see the explanation. Correct answer, গ Wednesday. Explanation. We will do the calculation in 2 steps. In first step, increase the number of the count by week. In second step, increase the number of the count by day. Here, as per the question, the second day is Monday. We have to find the 18th day. We will count equal to second day plus 1 week equal to 9th day, and 9th day will be Monday. Again, we will count equal to 9th plus 1 week equal to 16th. So the 16th day will be Monday. Now, if we increase by another week, 16th plus 1 week will be 23. So we cannot do that. So what we will do, we will increase by our second step, which is by day. So count equal to 16th plus 1 day equal to 17th, and the 17th day will be Tuesday. Then count equal to 17th plus 1 day equal to 18th. So the 18th day will be Wednesday. This way we will be able to calculate faster rather than increasing the count by a single day. So the answer is গ Wednesday. Thank you very much for watching.
টিউটোরিয়াল দেখার জন্য আপনাকে ধন্যবাদ। আপনার যদি কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকে তবে আমাদেরকে rhkstorecouk@gmail.com ইমেইল করুন বা মন্তব্য বিভাগে লিখুন। আমাদেরকে অনুপ্রাণিত করার জন্য সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, থামস আপ দিন বা লাইক দিন। আপনার বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করুন এবং নতুন টিউটোরিয়াল পেতে বেল আইকন টিপতে ভুলবেন না।